We're going to find in our social media room Carmela Walrond. She is our IRS Taxpayer Advocate and Attorney. She has recently been appointed, by the way. Congratulations, Carmela. There you are. Beautiful Carmela,
thank you.
But very smart Carmela. She's very smart Carmela.
Thank you.
She was recently appointed, by the way. Congratulations. She was. I want to make sure I get this right.
Thank you. Sure.
Let me get it right, and then you can thank me. You were recently appointed to the prestigious IRS Internal Revenue Service Taxpayer Advocacy Panel, the TAP panel, and that was after a very lengthy review, an extremely competitive application process by almost most tax attorneys in the United States.
Yeah.
You went through several interviews. You went through a thorough review of all of your career and work experience, and you were selected over maybe possibly hundreds and hundreds of other tax attorneys. And congratulations. Tell us who's on this panel.
Sure, thank you.
I gotta change my. I'm gonna do something else in the future. This is the end. This is the last day I will be doing this. All right, maybe I'll be doing this. I don't know. All right, so who makes up this panel?
Sure, the panel's made of approximately 75 tax professionals and citizens, and all of them are volunteers. And they're there to provide feedback to the IRS in order to improve customer relations. Because as you know, I deal with the IRS on a daily basis, and I have a lot of so-called horror stories that my clients deal with.
But they have horror stories until they come to Carmela, and then they become beautiful stories, right?
Yes,
so what is your role on this panel? Tell me exactly what you do.
Sure. My panel will be able to provide feedback on how to improve better customer relations. Like, for example, I had clients who received threatening letters, even though their cases are settled. Another client of mine recently received a letter stating that they're asking for additional information after I settled a case where he owed $80,000 to $4,000.
So basically what you do, just so I make it clear to everybody out there, what you do is you settle people's taxes. People who owe substantial amounts of taxes, you settle them for pennies on the dollar. So, for example, this person that contacted you owed over $80,000 to the IRS, and you were able to settle it for $4,000. And because of this fabulous work that you're doing, the IRS has recognized it, and they put you on this panel, which is a very prestigious panel of only the top tax attorneys in the United States of America, and it went through a very thorough vetting process. So congratulations to you on that.
Thank you.
And by the way, for every person out there who owes taxes, this is tax season, you owe taxes, you owe anything more than $5,000 in taxes, you owe 1 penny more than $5,000 in taxes, you should call Carmela. It's absolutely free to speak to her, and she will let you know. She will let you know whether or not she can help you save your tax dollars. She can negotiate it down. Like this man called, he owed $80,000. She said it was a free consultation. She said, "Yep, I can help you," and she turned it into $4,000. It's a pretty good deal.
$4,000.
It's a pretty good deal. It's a pretty good deal.
Yes, it is.
All right. So for everybody out there, if you have a tax issue, make sure you speak. There's a lot of people out there with tax issues, I guess.
I hear.
Yes, you have to call Carmela, and the telephone number to call Carmela is the same telephone number as it is to call our show, which is 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-Lawlink, 1-800-529-5465. And Carmela, what's going on? We only have about 2 or 3 minutes. I know Mr. Trump has changed all of our taxes. Give us highlights of, is it really a tax cut? Is it not a tax cut? I mean, I know in New York State, I think my taxes are going up, right? I'm not going down.
The new reform law is going to affect a lot of taxpayers. People own businesses and individuals. So it's important to, contact me at Spar and Bernstein to see if I can address any of your issues, because this tax law, some things are going to go in effect in 2017 and also the following tax year in 2018.
And then if you if you own a business or you're a sole proprietor, there's things that you can do now to was it? I guess to basically.
Well, it'll be if you
maybe you want to put your business in a different, not a format, a different status
entity,
or entity.
Entity structure,
right?
Yeah.
Or structure, I think is the word that they use, right?
Yes.
You use, they use.
It's called a pass-through entity.
Right.
Yes, that you structure your new business so you'll be able to get a benefit of that business in the following tax year. And also, child tax credits are going to be refundable next year. So it's better to get Social Security numbers for your dependent children.
And by the way, it will pay. If you're starting a business or you have a business right now, it absolutely pays to have the free consultation with Carmela so she can structure your business and your entity to take advantage of the new tax laws. You don't even understand them. I guarantee I don't understand them. Carmela understands them. So give her a call right now. And the telephone number, it's 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Carmela, we have about 30 seconds. Any last words on taxes or what you can do to help people in terms of reducing their tax debt?
Yes, anybody that owes more than $5,000, they have a business or they're self-employed, please feel free to contact Spar and Bernstein. So maybe I could get a settlement of your taxes and save you thousands of dollars in taxes.
That's wonderful. And by the way, you probably there's so many people that you have helped. I mean, every week you introduce me to somebody and they're like, I love Carmela. I mean, like, people just praise you. Like, I love Carmela. She saved me 10 grand. She saved me 50, 100. Every week, I'm not even joking. She introduces me to somebody that you save them a fortune of money. So please take advantage of it. It's just like if you owe money to the IRS and you don't take advantage of at least calling Carmela, then you know what? You deserve what you get, which is a lot of bills from the IRS. All right. Thank you very much, Carmela. I appreciate it. Thank you for coming on. It's tax season. Go get them.
Yeah.
1-800-529-5465. That's going to be our show for today. We're going to be back live tomorrow. Hopefully, Squeeze will be back here from Jamaica. And we will see you all again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.